Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? We will start in 3 minutes.
And this is a live stream of Digityser, the grand opening of Digityser.
Can you please take your seats so that we can start in 3 minutes?
This is a sort of a catalyst of everything happening in Brussels around the digital technologies.
Aarzel niet om hier vooraan te komen zitten. Er is plaats genoeg.
I think that it's by collaborating that we achieve great things.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to start in 1 minute. Please take your seats.
Is a place where you can start discovering
the future of our own country, van België.
This is an opportunity to not miss it, at least. If you are passionate and ambitious enough, you should be here and do stuff.
To have a place where people who have projects can actually work these projects out.
So, we are going to start.
Alongside Tanguy, Philippe had the leadership to say, yes, I'll do it. Yes, I take a chance. Philippe Vanille, CEO of Digityser.
We never thought we would be able to do this. Never. Here we are with 4 communities, with more than 7,000 people who are in that community under one roof. And it's thanks to you that we have that roof.
The themes we're talking about tonight are themes around innovation, around entrepreneurship, and how to let grow the businesses of tomorrow.
Dat doe ik dan ook. Proficiat. Félicitations.
Nous sommes une société d'avenir et c'est grâce à l'innovation, aux jeunes start-up qu'on le doit. Merci. Bon vent Digityser.